Benson, what does a lion say? What does a lion say? What does a dog say? Yeah, the dog. What does an owl say? Benson, what does owl say? Benson, what does owl say? That's a ghost. What does an owl say? What does a lamb say? What does a lamb say? Ah! What does a rooster say? What does a rooster say? Oh, do you see yourself? You're silly. What does a rooster say? Was that a monkey? What does a zebra say? What does a fish say? Oh yeah, tell us what an alligator says. Jump, jump, jump. What does alligator say? You're so silly. You know all these sounds. You're being silly. What does alligator say? Yeah, chomp, chomp, chomp. What does... What do you like? Oh, what does elephant say? Benson. Benson. What does elephant say? You're silly. You know all these sounds. What does a lamb say? What does owl say? Oh, he's mad because I took the phone. That's a cow. What does dog say? Yeah. That's a dog. You gonna give him a kiss? Whoop, get back. Go give Maya kisses. Make sure you're soft. You be soft to the dogs. Yeah, the dogs pant a lot, huh?